Kim Adanalasop from the First District of Zamboanga City. Ma'am, that is negative, ma'am. Hindi po totoo. We were already scheduled, ma'am. Yung payout namin scheduled on the 12th, on the 11th. Unfortunately, Secretary, after the filing of my candidacy for mayor last Tuesday, October 8, the following day, Wednesday afternoon, I received a call from DSWD telling me na hindi na matutuloy yung payout. Sabi ko, bakit? Ano nangyari? Sir, pinahinto sa taas. Sabi ko, bakit? Hindi pwede
Madalas
kasi...
naman nangyayari yan sa amin lahat eh.
Yes. Sabi ko, if that would be the thing, sabi ko nga, dapat give me a written letter. At least I can show that to the people na pinahinto sa taas. But the point of view there, walang written letter. And even the regional director nag-text sa akin. Sabi niya, sir, ayaw kong maipit. So sabi ko, I cannot stop the payout not unless you'll give me a written letter. Wala pong galing black and white from the SWD. That's my basically point of view. And until now, I met the regional director last Friday. Sinabi ko, ano nangyari? Sabi niya, wala talaga. Sabi ko, please come here, nandito sa payout. Pumunta kayo dito. Wala naman pumunta. So pumunta yung staff niya, pero hindi pumunta si RD. But pumunta doon, sinabi lang sa amin, stop yung payout. Ganun lang. But then after that, Madam Chair, sabi ko, I have to go and clarify with the regional director, ano ba talaga? At least he has to explain it to the people of Zamboanga City. Hindi pa pwede na lang na stop yung payout, walang dahilan. But basically, let us not duck things into, nung nag-file lang ako, kinancel lahat ng pondo ko. Sabi ko, wag naman sana daw ganun kasi itong pera na to binibigay sa mga Pilipino, hindi to pera ng mga magulang nila. Pera to ng taong bayan. This is taxpayers' money. So I really stand for it. And that's my thing. Hindi pa pwede iwanan natin yung taong bayan ng ganun. Because that is the program of our beloved President Bongbong Marcos and our Speaker of the House, Martin Romualdez, na dapat lahat ng naiiwan matutulungan dito sa bagong Pilipinas. Pero sa ganitong nangyari, hindi po tayo masaya, Secretary. And that's not true na sinabi nyo kanina na you informed me earlier na hindi ready yung payouts. Nandito na, sir, ready na. We posted on Facebook. That is already 3 weeks ago. We posted it. Ready na. More than 12,000 payouts, pinakancel lahat. Bakit po ginaganon ako? Porket wala akong tatay, congressman o senator. I'm an OFW. Hindi po ako, I'm not, sabihin ko sa iyo, hindi ako veteranong politician. I'm just new here. As you know, we're former colleagues in Congress. I'm a ship captain, OFW ako. But my heart belongs to the people. I want to serve the people of Zamboanga. Sana, Secretary, my colleague, tulungan mo ako dito.
Madam Chair, again, let me just state for the record, wala hong pondo ang congressman. Yung sinabing pondo ko, wala hong pondo ang congressman. These are department disbursed funds. As we speak right now, lahat ng opisina namin, anybody that walks into our office, pinoprocess ko yan. Now, that list, that referral list that's given to us, I'll get it from Congressman Olaso right now. We'll look into it again. I'll talk to the regional director na kausap niya, who happens to be a career social worker. Nandiyan na ho siya, matagal na. Give me the list, I'll talk to the regional director, then if he says that the list is clean and it's ready for to be paid out, kasi talagang kailangan, then we'll pay it out.
Secretary, ang